Hello everyone, I'm Captain Vijay, Master Mariner. I'm sailing on board chemical tankers with Suntech Ship Management. In this video, I'll be talking basically about the roles and responsibility for each rank on board the ships, just to give an idea to the new joiners and newcomers who want to pursue a career in Merchant Navy. So let's talk about the deck department first. In deck department, you start as a deck cadet and lead all the way up to the rank of captain. So deck cadet will complete his sea time for 18 months to 12 months depending on he has completed his DNS or he's completed in BSc Nautical Science, and then he will appear for his exams and become a third mate or a third officer. His duty is to keep 8 hours of watches at sea and keep cargo watches when the ship is in port, and he is in charge of the life-saving appliances and firefighting appliances on board the ship and taking care and maintenance of lifeboat, rescue boats. Now second officer, he is the navigating officer. He makes passage plan and he is in charge of the publications, their corrections and the electronic charts, maintenance, upkeep, ordering charts and ensuring the ship, the route and the passage, everything is laid out nicely. And he is keeping 8 hours of navigation watches every day, that's 4 on 8 off, and cargo watches when the ship is in any of the ports. Second mate and third mate will be doing cargo watches 6 on 6 off. If there is an extra third officer or a second officer, then the cargo watches are split normal 4 on 8 off. The chief mate, he also keeps 4 hours of watch in the morning and evening, so 4 on 8 off, and he is the cargo in charge. He also takes care of the garbage disposal on board the ship, and he is in charge of the deck maintenance. He will have bosun and the crew under him, the deck crew under him. So his duty at sea is basically to keep navigation watches, then ensure the deck maintenance is carried out properly, and cargo in charge. So he will plan the cargo, he will load, discharge and ensure that the cargo is maintained during the voyage safely. And captain, he's like the overall boss of the ship. Okay, he's the commander of the ship. His job is like everything from navigation to machinery to catering to being a person who's a link between the ship and the shore, then dealing with shore authorities, and it's like he is everything. Now in the engine side, trainee engineer, as soon as he is a fresher of the college after doing his engineering, 4 years marine engineering or 4 years mechanical plus 1 year marine engineering, or diploma plus 3 years of mechanical, or diploma plus 3 years of marine engineering. Then he will join as a trainee engineer, complete his sea time and get his COC. He will join as a fourth engineer. He will be in charge of few machineries on board in his rank. Then he will be promoted to third engineer. Again he will be in charge of few machineries at the rank of third engineer. Then he will be promoted to first engineer, and then again he is in charge of few machineries, and plus he, as a first engineer, he is in charge of the care of the engine room. He will be having the crew under him, and last rank in the engine department is chief engineer. He is like overall boss of the engine department to make sure all the machineries and main engine and all the auxiliary engine, the boiler and everything is working perfectly, and the ship is in compliance with all the SOLAS, MARPOL and all the local port and countries regulations. Now we will talk about the catering department. In catering department we have a messman who takes care of the housekeeping of the accommodation, then and he will be the one who will be helping us, serve food and all. Then chief cook, who will be preparing delicious food on board for all the members of the team. I must say I must really admire the chief cook and messman, because we do try to give holiday to the deck team and the engine team, but unfortunately the chief cook and the messman, they are really working 24/7, because if you plan to give them a holiday, then who's gonna make the food? So those guys are really special. Ratings department. So in the deck side, we'll be having a trainee seaman sometimes, or a ordinary seaman, then 3 or 2 ABs on board, Again, their duties is ABs will be they are the quartermasters. They will be the ones who will be steering the bridge during maneuvering, navigation at sea, on sea, and they will be keeping watches on the bridge at sea or in coastal waters. And the OS and the ABs will be keeping the cargo watches as well when the ship is in port. Then we have bosun, who's like in charge of the deck crew, and the chief mate, normally if whatever he plans his work, he will be delegating the job to the bosun. Then bosun will delegate the job to his crew accordingly. At the end of the day, he will come and report to chief mate that the status of the job. So basically bosun is taking care of the deck maintenance and the housekeeping on deck and accommodation, everything. Then there's a rank called pumpman. So the pumpman rank is such that he is basically a right hand of chief officer. He will ensure, pumpman is basically found on the oil tankers and chemical tankers, and he will take care of the loading, discharging, the connection, the disconnection, and the sampling and all that stuff. Now in the engine side, on the rating side, we have a Viper and one or two motormen if you can find on board the ships. So basically they will be keeping engine room watches and assisting the engineers in maintenance of the machineries in engine room. And there's another rank called deck fitter. He is a person who is specialist. He is specialist in welding and all that stuff. So he will take care of any of the fabrication works on deck side. And similarly in an engine room there is an engine fitter. He will be taking care of the fabrication or any overhauling, anything whichever is required in the engine room as instructed by first engineer or the chief engineer. If you have any other questions pertaining to any query that you have, drop in a comment. I will try to make a short and simple video. So hope you guys like my video. Subscribe to my channel, my Instagram link, and follow me there. Hope to see you soon. This is Captain Vijay signing off.